Hey, this is a demonstration of the scoring system with live streaming option. You are watching two computers running together, but what I want to say before I start is that you can combine everything into one laptop with an external screen. So nothing difficult to carry. It will be portable on a single laptop and an external screen. So let's start. We'll start the scoreboard on the right hand side, and this is the, let's say this is the external screen.
This is Michaela Tapp here. Welcome to ProScore Snooker and Billiards
So
Scoreboard.
that would be the scoreboard for the referee and the players and the local audience to watch. And here we have a streaming program or a streaming computer. So what we need to do is to synchronize that little scorer with the major scoreboard. So to sync them together, I put the IP address here. That's the IP address of that scoreboard, and click pair. So now they are all paired together. So now when I add score onto the scoreboard, the score right here will be updated. So I'll show you in a minute. So let me put it up so you can see from here. So let me start the clock here. So the match is now running, and when I change the player, this changes as well. And when I score,
1, 3,
that score is also updated by the main scoreboard.
4, 7, 8, 12, 13, 18,
So that score is actually running.
19, 26, 27, 32.
So right here you can see that when the break is above 20 points, the number of color balls are shown above the name of the player. So that's a feature that's very useful for video streaming. So people can see how many color balls is happening in a break. So they are all synchronized and running. So the next thing we need to do is basically to start the video streaming program. And we have OBS here, so we'll start OBS. So now the OBS is actually running. Imagining you have a camera pointing at the table like this. And we have the scoreboard running below the video screen. So imagine this is your camera shooting a table, and now when we change the score on the scoreboard right here, the mini scorer will get updated. So let's say when
Paul Kirkman, 32.
So you can see here that's mini scorer is actually synchronized to the main scoreboard. So let's say I put a few balls.
1, 3, 4, 7.
Now I'm using actually a remote control. It's the same.
12.
It's the same as I touching the
13.
screen here.
18, 19, 25.
And you'll see that the score here on the video stream is updated at the same time as the score in ProScore is updated. So hopefully you can see it from here. So whatever I do, it will be updated.
26, Bill Jan, 26.
So this is basically a very simple demonstration of the videos streaming system. You can score with a keypad or a keyboard or a mouse or even a smartphone. Anything with a browser can connect to the scoreboard and score with the scoreboard. And the video streams here will update the mini scorer. And this can be set up in about 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and the solution is right here. It's all here, and it memorized the settings that I've used last time. So that's why when I start the video streaming program, everything, the logos, the sponsor logos, the scoreboard, everything are in place. So so basically, it's very simple to start, and all you have to do is to start the video stream, and everything should work as a pair. As I said before, this video streaming system can be combined into a single laptop with an external screen. So this is highly portable. And there are too many features to mention, but what I want to say here is that whatever I do on the main scoreboard, not only you can find the score on the mini scorer, not only they are synchronized on the video stream, there is also a web version of the scoreboard. So what I mean is that when you go to the website, this is a website, right? So the score I added to this ProScore Scoreboard will be updated on the match history here. So you can see the history, and also you can see the different views of the scoreboard. So not only you can see the match history, you can see an online version of the score.
1, 4.
So you can see that the score are actually synchronized on the web as well as on my computer. So this is one of the views, and if you have more than one tables, the website will display multiple tables as well. So that means if you have several tables running the scoreboard, you will be able to see the score on each table in one screen. And this is a web browser. That means everyone around the world will be able to see the scores on those tables live. So this is the live version of the scoreboard, and this is the live version of the video stream. So everything is basically ready to stream, and to install these programs on a single laptop could only take about 10-15 minutes, and so that means in about 30 minutes you will be up and running a video stream with live scoreboard. So that's all I want to say today. If you have any other questions, email me or contact me anytime.